What's good? Y'all know what it is, and you damn sure know what it ain't. To all the ones that subscribe to the channel, that have been focused and looking at different opportunities and ways that you can make your printing experience better, to take it to the next level, and you watch this channel, I appreciate you guys. Appreciate everybody. For the ones that enjoyed their Thanksgiving, hope you guys had the best, festivities with the family and friends or whatnot. Appreciate everybody for connecting with me on all social levels, social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I appreciate you guys as well. So anybody that enjoyed the holidays, hey, you guys, blessings. So we're making this video, about to go out and about today in public, and just go take care of some little simple things, run a couple of little errands, get back, start this printing and do everything, because I'm a one-man show, I'm the big show. Like Big Show, I'm the big show. But anyway, we here, and I spoke about a lot of different things. People calling me nigga in my video or over the phone, and previous videos, and I had 2 videos. That's why I said previous. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff that I've been doing lately, and still been giving you guys good, valuable substance. Like I say, I ain't no guru, not a professional, just somebody that just learning from my experience, and I have a lot of experience, I think, that's very sourceful and useful to people like you guys that's watching. So ICC profiles, resizing your images, and learning about how to color correct certain images, and that's going to be an ongoing thing to learn as you go with this DTF printing, transition over from sublimation, or transition over from using vinyl or using silk screening. So it's a different type of process and a different ball game if you don't have some type of basic knowledge of what's going on. And some of these programs to be used, like Canvas and all these different things like that, is good. But when using DTF, some of the images and some of the transparencies and some of the DPIs and resolutions is kind of going to change within these programs. So that's what I try to explain to a lot of people to understand, but it's still some type of miscommunication. So I probably start making videos about, well, I do have a couple videos, but you guys need to go and watch them accordingly to what you guys need. It's long videos. Videos probably got to go through the titles and stuff and whatnot, but this is your education that you are going to need, something that you're going to need to use over and over, getting into this printing and getting into sizing it, IC profiles and DPIs, resolutions, and getting its transparencies to have a good image to be printed. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna keep on ratting and raving today, and we're gonna go out in public. I'm still gonna talk to you guys about printing and what's the pros and the cons, and give you guys the FYIs from what I know. And stay tuned, because we're gonna be out and about and